σας. Σήμερα θα δούμε την διαφορά μεταξύ του όταν και του πότε, του ίσως και του μήπως. Hello, today we're gonna have a look at when and perhaps, whenever they're used in questions or affirmative or negative sentences. I am Konstantina and I'm here to show you how Greek grammar can be easy and fun to learn the way I explain it. So let's start. Okay, so let's have a look at phrases with the word when first. Πότε έχεις χρόνο να τα πούμε? When do you have time for a chat? So here you see that when we use when in a question, in Greek it appears as ποτε. Να τα πούμε, one extra little thing, it means for a chat, but in a more free way, which means that να τα πούμε literally means to talk about things. Πούμε is the subjunctive of the past of the verb λέω. If you want to look into the subjunctive more, just click on the link above. Now let's have a look at a possible answer with when. Όταν έχω λιγότερη δουλειά. When or whenever I have less work. When in affirmative or negative phrases, it appears as Οταν. Let's have a look at the next example. Πότε θα δούμε εκείνο το έργο? When are we going to watch that film? And a possible answer could be όταν θα τελειώσω το μαγείρεμα. When I will finish cooking. Now let's have a look at perhaps. Μήπως είσαι απασχολημένος σήμερα? Perhaps you're busy today. So here you can see that perhaps only what appears in questions, it looks like μήπως. In affirmative or negative phrases, it appears as Ισως. Ίσως έχω λίγο χρόνο να πάμε για καφέ. Maybe I have a little time to go for a coffee. Next example with perhaps. Μήπως θέλεις να φύγουμε το Σαββατοκύριακο? Perhaps you want to go away in the weekend. Ίσως το επόμενο. Αυτό το Σαββατοκύριακο πρέπει να πάω στους γονείς μου. Maybe next one. This weekend I have to go to my parents. Now I've put together some phrases that you can practice with. I have put the link below so you can visit this page and put your answer over here. Or you can write it down on a piece of paper. Let's have a look at the examples. When do you want to go to your parents? Perhaps next weekend. I'm very busy now. When do you have time for a film? Perhaps when I get home tonight. So now you have my examples down and some extra to practice with. If you have any unfamiliar words or any questions at all about today's class or any other grammar point, write them down in the comments below, and you never know, you might trigger a whole new video class. So, if you like learning Greek grammar and you're thinking about taking your learning a step further and want to be able to form a conversation in Greek in only 3 months, the only thing you have to do is spend 1 hour per week conversing with me. So, type Learn Greek via Talking and you will find me on Facebook and Instagram, and I will take you through all the fun details of my teaching method. Σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ που με παρακολουθήσατε πάλι. Να είστε όλοι καλά. Γεια σας!